Today, EagerLED will conduct strict waterproof testing on this batch of EA1000C6 LED displays. Before testing, they are transported by a dedicated transfer cart into a sealed waterproof testing area, where curtains and a drainage system isolate the test environment from the outside. Technicians set the program at the control console, and then a 15-minute simulated rainstorm pours down, with water covering every screen completely. After the spray test, high-pressure air guns quickly dry the surfaces, and inspectors immediately open the cabinets to check the internal condition. Only when all units remain completely dry inside can they proceed to the aging test. For EagerLED, waterproof testing is never just a routine step. Only screens that pass such rigorous validation can truly adapt to the variable conditions of outdoor environments.